It's a little unexpected.
Weather bulletin. Weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Butler and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Mercer County in northwest Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County in northwest Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles northeast of Greenville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Greenville, Maurice Bay Goddard State Park,
Now what? Take that somewhere else.
In between mile markers 104 and 136. Interstate 80 between mile markers 6 and